Hello everyone, welcome to StreamLadder's YouTube channel. If you're not familiar with StreamLadder, it is a tool to convert your streams into vertical clips for social media. Today, I'll show you how to get creative with StreamLadder, and we'll create some thumbnails for TikTok so you can see how you can easily edit your clip in StreamLadder and directly post your TikTok from the website. Let's get started. Alright, so now we're logged in. Let's choose a clip to edit. As you can see, we can directly choose a clip from Twitch. So now we have created a layout. If you want to know more about layouts, you can go watch the videos on this channel. Now we're gonna click on elements, and as you can see, you can upload custom stickers, you can make your social stickers, you can add text, and you can add animated stickers or GIFs. To create a thumbnail, I'm gonna create it for the first seconds of the video. I'm going to choose a text style and I'm gonna choose it in yellow so it pops. And I will give a title to my video and put it right here. To grab attention, we can also add stickers or GIFs. I will go for GIFs. And we can add this one right here. Then we want the thumbnail to be at the very first part of the video, so we're going to make this shorter. Once you're done editing, you can export your clip and you see a page like this. As you can see, you can choose the social media you want to share your video on. Then scrolling down, you see TikTok title. StreamLadder will take the title of the clip and put it in the description for you. You can always edit it inside of StreamLadder, as you can see. Then let's get to the thumbnail. So we can drag the dot here and choose the perfect moment. So since we created a thumbnail, we're gonna drag it to the start, and this is our thumbnail. Now you can download your clip, or you can also go down here and edit your advanced settings, so who can view your video, who can comment, and you can choose if you want to auto-publish it or send as a draft, because you can also schedule it through our content publisher. So your video is all ready to be posted. Hit post now and StreamLadder will do everything for you. So this is it for today's video. Now you can also get creative with StreamLadder and creating thumbnails. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media and tag us in your videos. See you in the next one.